Hello everyone. In today's video I am sharing with you people a masala macaroni recipe, that too in pressure cooker. It's super easy and quick for the busy days in which you don't have time to cook and you just want to make one healthy pot meal. That is the time you can try this on for your dinner, breakfast or packing some fast lunch. And one more time you can try this when you want to have junk, but junk with lots of vegetables, then you may try this. For this I am taking, as I have said, a lot of vegetables, a lot of colorful vegetables. So firstly I'll be chopping the onions. I'll be chopping it like what we do it for the normal sabzi. Just chop them in small chunks, and when we are done with chopping the onions, then I am going to chop my bell peppers. Red and yellow bell peppers are in season. They look beautiful. They are a source of vitamin C, a lot of antioxidants. What is a perfect combination? Beautiful color and beautiful minerals and vitamins. But before cutting rest of the vegetables, I'll be cooking it in a pressure cooker. So I have heated the pressure cooker by putting some oil and I have added onions to it. Now I'll be chopping some carrots, that too in small chunks, so that they can be easily eaten by the kids also. Kids are very fuzzy about eating vegetables, but in pasta they usually eat. So I always make it a point to add a lot of vegetables while making pasta, that too small in size, so that they are not going to take it out. But me and my daughter like to have beans quite in length, so I'll be cutting them in length and diagonally. They look beautiful and we find them tasty too. It totally depends on you how you want to cut them. I'll be cutting it diagonally. After the beans, I'll be taking the bell peppers. First comes the red bell pepper. I'll be de-seeding them as seeds don't give a lot of taste. I'll be cutting it like this, again into small chunks. It's always good to remove the seeds. And then what we are going to do, we are going to cut the yellow bell peppers. I like the color too much. I am in love with these bell peppers, but nowadays they are in season and they are available for quite reasonable price. That is why I am using them. When they are not in season, I don't agree to use them. So whenever they are in season, have a lot of colors. And now it's time to cut our green capsicum, which is my favorite one. I like the fresh flavor of green capsicum, so I'll be cutting them too. See, adding a lot of vegetables into our pasta or to our daily diet, especially different color of vegetables, is very healthy. It gives a lot of mineral and vitamin diversity. So once the onions are pink in color, I'll be adding my rest of the vegetables. But one thing is left, I have not chopped cabbage. Actually all these vegetables are already washed, but cabbage I will wash it again. A lot of people don't use cabbage also because of the worms thing. But what I usually say, every vegetable has a probability of having a worm in it. So whenever you are using cabbage, just cut it like this and then wash it again. Physical abruption removes quite a lot of worms. So it's always good to physically clean every layer. And one more thing, cabbage has a lot of folic acid. That is why we should include every vegetable into our diet. So now after adding cabbage, I'll be just mixing them for 2 or 3 minutes so that we get a nice roasty flavor. Now it's time to add our Indian masala. I'll be adding turmeric, red chili powder. It's Kashmiri red chili powder for getting a beautiful color. With turmeric along goes with black pepper. Black pepper, turmeric allows curcumin absorption, and for that tang I'll be adding the chaat masala. I like the flavor of chaat masala in macaroni. And now what we are going to do, we are going to give it a good mix once again, and once after 2 or 3 minutes they are done, we are going to add our macaroni. I'll specially suggest that you use suji, drum wheat or whole wheat macaroni, as maida macaroni is not at all healthy. And about the shape of the macaroni, I will say only while cooking it in a pressure cooker, use elbow macaroni. It cooks perfectly well. Now we are going to add salt to it. Whenever we are using other shape of macaroni in pressure cooker, either they are undercooked or they are overcooked. This works well in pressure cooker. Now we are going to add water to it. For the water part, I'll give you a ratio. If there is 2 bowl or 2 cup of macaroni, then you need to add 3 to 3.5 cup of water. That will be enough. Now we'll be adding corns. I just forgot to add sweet corns. Sweet corns add a lot of protein content to the macaroni. Since I have already said we are eating junk, but it has to be in a healthy way. Now we'll be pressure cooking it. Pressure cooker it for 1 whistle on high flame, then 2 whistles on low flame. After 10 minutes or so, we are done with the macaroni. Open the pressure and cook it on for 2 more minutes. If it is soggy or juicy, let it be, it will all get dry. Sprinkle some coriander, it will add freshness to your macaroni, and your masala macaroni is ready to be served in breakfast, lunch or dinner, whatever time suits you. I hope you enjoy this, and if you like the video, do like and share the video, and please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos about a good life and healthy food.